Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Salesforce Trailhead, full guide. Sign in, create your Trailhead account, and open your Trailhead playground to start practicing hands-on challenges right away. I will guide you through choosing the best beginner trails, completing challenges efficiently, and tracking your progress with badges and super badges. This walkthrough is friendly and practical, so you can apply what you learn quickly and confidently. Choose learning paths that fit your goals and schedule, whether admin, developer, or consultant. I'll explain how to combine short modules, projects, and super badges for steady progress without burnout. You'll learn to prioritize hands-on projects to reinforce concepts, use the search and tags to save content, and set weekly goals to maintain momentum. This friendly guide helps you craft a learning plan that fits into real life and delivers visible results. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video for more Salesforce tips and walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for playing focus music or setting timers during study sessions, and it pairs nicely with coding sprints. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When tackling hands-on challenges, always read instructions carefully and use the preview feature to verify steps before submitting. I'll share tips for debugging common errors, restoring your Trailhead playground when things go wrong, and using the community and docs for quick help. These practical habits save time and increase success rates on badges and super badges. Stay patient, test often, and celebrate small wins as you build real Salesforce skills that employers value.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.